If you want to know what kind of footage you're going to get from the Weebill S, I made a quick video showcasing the movements and what you can expect. Enjoy.
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come on, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
Okay, so that was the video. I was using the Canon RP with the nifty 50. I wanted to showcase what you're gonna expect from the footage, and you guys can decide for yourself if you think that's satisfactory for your needs. I hope you enjoyed the video and you were able to make a decision on if you wanna get the Weebill S or not. I wanna help you out just like I would my brother. See you in the next video.